Hi guys, Assalam O Alaikum. Welcome back to my channel, The Drifters Club. Hope so you all guys will be very fine. Today I am here for the next video of HTML5. Let's start. But before starting, I will request you please subscribe to my channel for watching more informative videos like text and coding. So let's we go our Visual Code Studio. In this lecture I will tell you how to add link in the HTML tag body. Here go to body tag and write a means anchor tag, and then write hyperreference href, then write is equal to and press inverted commas. Here in inverted commas I will write the link of Google website. You can add any link which you want to click, and users will click and go to your website or page where you grab audience. Here for your understanding I will write the link of Google and then close enter anchor tag, and here write go to Google. We can write in between the tags, opening and closing tags, that go to Google, which means that if due to the slow speed of net when website is not open which users click, then he will get a message go to Google, which shows that this website is according to the Google, which provide a beneficial understanding for the user. And when you click this link, then this page is open in front of you. Go to this link, then you will reach the main page of Google, main website of Google, which you entered in your HTML website tag page body. So here guys, we will change the name of the website and replace it with www.bhattiwrites.com, and then you will see the change. And for moving further, please like, subscribe and share my video with your friends. Thank you. Here we will write the name of website bhattiwrites.com. And then go to go live extension which we download. Then click here we will change this name, go to Google, and replace it with go to bhattiwrites.com. Then this is bhattiwrites.com website, and you will see the change. You will reach this website when you click the link. Hope so you will understand the changings. Here we will replace go to website and then save, Ctrl S, and then see the changings by clicking the go live command. Here we will copy the link and paste it further, and just changes the name of websites. Here we write go to Facebook, and then here we write go to Twitter, and then here we write go to LinkedIn. And here we write go to Instagram. And also we will change the link where we write bhattiwrites.com. Here we write Instagram, and in the upper side we will write LinkedIn. Then same as Twitter, Facebook and website. And then after changing all these, We will save it and then check by going to the go to live command. Here you can see these changings. Go to website, go to Facebook, go to Twitter, go to LinkedIn and go to Instagram, which is present in blue text and underscore mark, which means that it is converted into link. When you click one of these links, then you will reach the official sites of official pages of these social media platforms. Here you can see on the screen. Hope so you like these changings. Guys, if you still don't subscribe my channel, then I request you please subscribe my channel and also press the bell icon so you can get notified my upcoming videos. Guys, we will do complete course of HTML. If you don't see my existing videos regarding HTML series, then you can reach my HTML playlist by subscribing my channel. Come back with another tutorial. Hope so you like these videos. If you have any query, then you can ask me in the comment box. I will reply you. Listens everyone, but do whatever you want.